this next print that I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the gelatin without having the magnetic mask, and providing you get the calculation right for how much gelatin you need for your sheet of paper, then in theory it should all flow nicely evenly all across the print. So I've got just about 65 mils of gelatin here. I'm going to pour it carefully into the centre of the print. You'll see it pretty much flows naturally to the edge, and providing you don't let it get too cool too quickly, then you can just help it along to the edge and it just flows beautifully and quite thickly to all the corners, and you get a nice even area just by simply combing it across. There's no bubbles, and that's, as I said, been helped by the scalding. So we've got about just 1 centimetre border, and I can actually feel it getting thicker the longer I take, so I try not to take too long to do this because it will solidify very quickly. And there we have it, a nice bubble-free coating, and I'm going to leave that now just to harden off for a few minutes, and then we can tape it to the glass so that the paper stays nice and flat.